this is the third hotel that we're staying. So after Shangri-La Sydney, after Four Seasons Sydney, we are now at the Marriott hotel, the same area, very close by, but this one is a little bit inside. So got a suite, and when I walk in, there's a powder room on my right. Actually, this is the only suite that has 2 bathrooms. Okay, and then this is the small dining area and the living room area. So, of course, because Marriott is a little bit inside, this is called the Sky View Suite. So you do not see the Opera House or the Harbour Bridge anymore, but we are on the highest floor of this hotel, which is the 32nd floor. So you can imagine, even if you get Opera House view, it will be blocked somewhere somehow. Okay, but anyway, this is the lazy chair and then the sofa. And actually, when we check in, it's very interesting. We got offer to choose a white or red wine, so we choose a white wine, which is very nice. Okay, so very quickly, this is the coffee machine, the kettle, and then with the glasses, and actually one nice adapter here. Again, this is one of the hotel that I seen the adapter, and then some capsules and tea bags. Okay, so this is their mini bar. So they did not stock up the mini bar, refreshment on demand. So this is a fridge that you can put your own stuff, and that's it. So we can put the luggage here. So walking quickly in, this is a separate bedroom. So this is the view. This is the bedroom with the mattress, linens and everything, and all the TV here. Okay, so opening the wardrobe, they do have the bathroom as well as the slippers. Okay, so this is their bathroom. Very good size with a big jacuzzi bath, and then this stand-up shower. And this is the Marriott, so the same amenities that they use all along. So of course it's not comparable to Four Seasons or Shangri-La, although this is still classified as 5-star hotel in the Harbour area, but still is on high floor. Pretty nice sky view. And pretty decent size, pretty good insides with the living room, the dining room area, as well as a separate living room and 2 bathrooms. Actually 1 full-size bathroom and 1 powder room. So this is where we will be staying for the next 2 nights, which make up a total of 6 nights, 7 days in Sydney. So we also have club access, so we will go and check it out for the evening cocktail as well as breakfast. We may not be going there because we can go down to the restaurant. I think there are more selection down in the restaurant. So we'll keep on posting about our experiences at this hotel.